We're doing a hike on Christmas, and we're gonna be the only ones on it.
What are those?
What are those? These are my new hiking boots. Hiking boots to go with the belly bump. The hiking boots need a name. Names. So I named them Jim and Gerald.
Which one's which?
Jim is my left, Gerald is my right. Jim, Gerald. Gerald and Jim.
Dana says she's done this hike before, but that's really hard to say if that's true or not, because she's been over here looking at the directions and it says it's very easy to get lost. So if you don't actually see this video by New Year's, then we got lost.
Just because I've done a hike doesn't mean really anything. I don't remember things well. Not hikes. So, but I know here, just go there.
I hear a waterfall that way.
Oh, so it could be here. No, that's like a... Well, it's definitely not this, but kind of makes me want to go. Let's go the other way first. I'm tired. My new hiking boots are awesome. I already got a scuff. See? Dirt. Because I'm a real hiker. No, I don't have to sneeze anymore.
Make sure you only sneeze to the right.
That does feel, I don't remember it, but that does feel like something you would say. Oh, it's because you sneezed on me at one point, and you said yeah, because I always sneeze to the right. The rain has begun. Also, I don't really want to say it yet, but so far I don't know how you get lost. As long as you know where to start, then maybe I'll eat my words. Whew. Hot. Look at that. That's your noggin. What are waterfalls? What if this is it? What's waterfall? When I was a goalkeeper, when I was little, in soccer, I used to just stand in the goal and sing songs because I thought no one could hear me, which that's probably not true, but I just found myself doing that. I was like walking across on a hike just singing songs. I think it's a distraction mechanism for when I'm like scared.
Are you scared on this hike?
No, but I just don't want to fall over, like split my legs too wide and, you know. I like hiking because we walk the same trail, but we don't take the same steps. I feel like hiking is a analogy for life, or a metaphor for life. You know, we start at the same place and we end at the same place, but we have different journeys, even if we're doing it together.